I don't think a butterfly has ever let us get so close. I never saw anything like this. No, don't catch him, sweetie. I think he might be ready to go into a cocoon. No, sweetie, I don't want to catch him. He looks very, very tough. He can't escape. I think we should be nice and let him relax. I wouldn't even move the trees like you are. He would never let us get this close if he wasn't so tired. Aww. He looks like the hurricane kind of did him in a little bit. Let me see if I can get another view. I can't believe he's letting us get so close. Something's not. He's tired. Just like you. He should be taking a nap. Wow, he is not moving whatsoever.
You want to sleep?
Yeah, I think he went to sleep, sweetie.
He ate his leaf.
He ate some of the leaf and he went to sleep. Very, very sweet. Good night, butterfly.